Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harshvardhan said test, track, treat was the government's strategy to move forward and listed the process stage of the various vaccine candidates and adding that some of them could be available in the first quarter of 2021.
Union Health Minister Harshvardhan said that it is difficult to predict when corona cases will hit the peak in India. India being a large country, he said the outbreak was heterogeneous in different states with respect to their vulnerability, the maturity of outbreak and the number of confirmed cases. He added that the outbreak will likely to peak at different points in cities and state and the variety in implementation measures, including the proportion of people taking preventive measures, played a role in this. He said these factors made it difficult to say when a drop in new cases would take place. Various experts across the duration of the outbreak have said that a vaccine is direly needed for the world to go back to some normality in its operations. Asked about when a vaccine would be ready for use in India, Vardhan said that vaccine trial against COVID-19 were being fast-tracked globally. He said the efficacy of India-made vaccine would be known by the year end upon completion of trials, adding that the Oxford vaccine produced by Serum Institute of India was already being produced on a parallel end. He said this would reduce the time needed to market it. The health minister said that the other two vaccines would require at least a month extra for production and phase introduction in the market. He pointed out that if the vaccine trial result were successful, it could be ready to use by the first quarter of 2021. Developed by Hyderabad-based pharmaceutical firm Bharat Biotech, the human trial of Covaxin had started 2 weeks back and could be available by the end of 2020, Vardhan said. He said the Serum Institute of India has informed that it was ready to begin human trial in India this month and was hoping to have the AstraZeneca vaccine available by the year end. The Zycov-D from Zydus Cadila would complete its clinical trial in a few months too, he added. Harshvardhan said that infection had come down in Mumbai and Delhi despite high testing, adding that this was corroborated by the downward trend in hospital admissions. He said the government was ahead of its set targets for COVID-19 testing and said that the country's case fatality ratio was controlled by effective containment, aggressive testing and contact tracing and standardized clinical management protocol based on a holistic standard of care approach. Bureau Report.